We can also use the ink palette with archival ink colors. So these are the little mini cubes. This is red geranium and this is sunflower. So if I want to mix those two colors, I can use the detailer water brush. This has no water in it. And I can use a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol and pick up as much color as I want, and you can see I've changed those colors into an orange. So you can really blend a lot of different custom colors this way. It's really fun. It takes up a small space on your a small spot on your workspace. It's very inexpensive and it's really a handy dandy little tool. And again, I really like it because I know that I can completely clean my brush, and when I start I have a fresh brush. There's no color on there at all. So handy dandy little ink palette from Stampers Anonymous.